Are you getting an error in Adobe Premiere, not able to render or export, unable to produce frame? Here are 3 ways to fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is delete the unnecessary project files in Premiere Pro. For that, open Premiere Pro project and click on the File tab. Select Close Project option. Next, go to the Edit and select Preferences. Click on Media Cache and click on the Delete button beside Remove Media Cache Files option. Click on Delete Unused Media Cache Files and click on the OK button to confirm. You can also choose to delete all media cache files and click on OK. Now Premiere Pro will automatically shut down. Launch it again. Method 2. The next thing you can do is make some changes in the project settings. Open Adobe Premiere Pro project and go to the File tab. Next, select Project Settings, then General. If you find a drop-down menu beside the renderer option, expand it. Select Mercury Playback Engine Software Only option. Click on OK. Before closing and restarting your project, check the sequence settings. To do that, go to Sequence and right-click on the trackpad. Select Sequence Settings. Go to the Video Preview section and expand the menu for Preview File Format. Select QuickTime from the options and click on OK. Now you can save and restart your project. Method 3. You can also export your project to another drive if you are having issues to export in Adobe Premiere. To do so, open Adobe Premiere project and go to the Exports tab. Click on the link next to Location. Then browse to a folder on another drive. Click on Open to set the export location. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.